Nick Espinoza, your Chief Security Fanatic and CIO here. Today we're going to be talking about pop-ups. Now, not all pop-ups are bad. Some, like your bank, for example, might have a pop-up for a secondary login or something like that. So that's not an issue, but a lot of pop-ups that we see are bad. They're either advertising that are going to take you to links that may or may not be malicious or just somewhere you don't want to go. They may just be straight up malicious. It may not actually be a pop-up. It may be a secondary tab that's opened into your browser if you've got tabbed browsing open as opposed to pop-ups. And so we need to be careful with these. And the reason why we need to be careful with these is we typically don't want to click anything that the browser, or the pop-up rather, tells us to do. So if the pop-up says click here to cancel, it may not actually be canceling that window. What we want to do is we want to either use the dedicated X in Windows to get rid of that, also the one in Mac as well. You can use a keyboard command like Alt F4 to close the window, but what we don't want to do is click anywhere within the actual boundaries of that pop-up or that tab, because anything or anywhere that you click could potentially lead you somewhere. So do what you have to do to close it, but don't actually click on them. Use the actual integrated applications of Windows or the keystrokes that we know to use to close them. So keeping those in mind will keep you a lot safer, especially when you get these, because if you click them, they may launch things, and believe me, you do not want them launching things.